everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to do a wood burning project. And instead of using the typical wood burning pen, we're going to be using some wood burning paste from T-Expert. So this was sent to me to review. Thank you so much. So this kit comes with wood burning paste. This one is just a large jar of paste. And it looks like this. And also 2 pens. These are markers. So we have a large one with a larger tip and a smaller one with a thinner tip. What's cool about these is that all you have to do is spread it on top of the wood and then heat it up with a heat gun to create the burning effect. In addition, we have some sandpaper and some extra tips and a little squeegee. This one is just a little silicone piece that you can use to scrape off any extra paste. And today we'll be making our design on this wooden tray. And the final thing that we'll need is a heat gun. Alright, so we have all the supplies. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is make our design. My little helper will be doing the artwork because she's a really good artist. And we're going to start off by doing a light sketch using a pencil. Okay, so now I've done the sketch in pencil. Now we're going to use this marker. We're going to use the small one. This is the wood burning pen and it has 2 tips. So one side is a chisel and the other side is rounded. Now with a larger marker, we're going to color in the stripes. Alright everyone, and we are done. So here is our tiger. My little assistant did an awesome job. Next, we're going to heat up the ink using a heat gun. And this should take just a few minutes. Here. Alright everyone, and we are done. Take a look. So as you can see, we have our etching burned into the wood and you can kind of feel it. There's a little bit of texture here where the marker burned into the wood. So if you have a larger surface area or if you're using a stencil, then you can use the burning paste. But since we're doing a picture, today we're just going to stick with the markers. So what do you think? If you don't want to use a wood burning pen, then these wood burning paste and markers is a really good alternative. So the next thing I want to do is finish off the edges here. I'm going to be using a gold leafing pen and we're going to color the border gold. On the inside, I want to add some flowers and then we're going to coat everything with resin. Alright, so here are all the flowers that I wanted to put down, and now we're going to add a coat of resin. The resin I'm going to be using today is from Tea Expert. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour some resin over the flowers. I'm going to start with a thin coat so that the flowers don't float away. Over the tiger, I'm going to add a tiny bit of color using Sunset Orange. Alright everyone, so the resin has cured and we are ready to take a look at the final result. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and flip this over. And here it is. Oh my goodness. This turned out beautiful. So we have these real dried flowers here in the foreground, a little bit more flowers here in the back, and of course we have our wood edge tiger here in the center. And the tiger here, as you can see, is also colored a little bit orange from the colored resin that we poured on it. Alright everyone, I had so much fun with this project. I hope you enjoyed it too. And if you're interested in any of the items I used today, you can find them in the description down below. Alright, see you next time. Bye!